Top 5 Best Frameless Shower Doors.
Number 1.
DreamLine XT Fully Frameless Sliding Shower Door. 3 shades available with optional expert setup. Clear max coating to resist water stains and other buildups. Premium ANSI certified clear glass of 10 mm thickness. Top guide bar can be adjusted up to 4 inches in width. Very expensive compared to competing products.
Number 2.
Mecor Bathtub Hinged Frameless Shower Door. Made of high-quality clear glass and chrome finishing. Hinged screen capable of pivoting full 180 degrees. Comes with a towel rail made of stainless steel. Perfect for smaller bathrooms with tubs. One of the most affordable shower doors.
Number 3.
WOODBRIDGE Frameless Sliding Shower Door. Available in brushed nickel and chrome finishing. Reversible door can be installed on either side. Can be adjusted up to 3/10 inch cancelling wall shift. Top guide bar allows trimming up to 4 inches. Waterproof design prevents stains from splashes.
Number 4.
Tropical Art Frameless Shower Door. Clear tempered glass of 10 mm thickness. Hardware can be of brushed nickel or chrome. Comes with a bottom door sweep. Polished edge ensures both safety and style. Easy to install following the given instruction manual.
Number 5.
DreamLine Frameless Hinged Tub Door. 2 hardware finishing variations available. Single panel swinging door for small bathtubs. Cannot be adjusted to out-of-plumb walls. Reversible screen suits straight tubs only. Difficult installation process requires professionals.